Hey, what's up guys, it's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Mario Tennis Aces on the Nintendo Switch. So I picked this up today. Really looking forward to playing this. I tried the online tournament thing and that was really good. But yeah, really looking forward to playing this. So as you can see on the front, you've got Peach, you got Mario, swinging some balls. So yeah, there's the side, Mario Tennis Aces. And there's the back. All out tennis battles where the winning element is strategy. So it's got attack. Bowser. Defense. Complete with your rivals in online matches. Play anyone, anywhere with share play. Take it at your own pace in adventure mode. And the Joy-Con is your racket in swing mode. And then with regards to all that, TV and all that, and it's X amount of players. But yeah, inside we have, ooh, I like this background. Well, that's groovy, isn't it? Gives you the special stuff and some tips on how to swing and that. And obviously you've got the game. So yeah, that is my rather quick unboxing for Mario Tennis Aces, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I will talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.